Welcome to my channel guys, and thank you for choosing this video to watch. Today I am going to discuss about the idioms. Idioms, what is idioms? Why it is? Why it is in English language, English literature? How this idioms is used and what's its significance? Okay. So actually in my previous video of how to write standard English writing, I have told about it. What is idiom? Idiom is a group of words which means something another than the particular word by word meaning. Suppose cats and dogs. If you want to recover the meaning of this part of sentence, you will get two animals name, okay? Cats and dogs. But if you see this group of words used in a sentence, then it means rains heavily. Heavy raining, okay? So cats and dogs, word by word meaning is to animal, it indicates to animal, but actually its meaning is to rain heavily. This is idiom. Idioms are mainly or actually originally used by the natives, by the actual English speakers. But if you use this group of words in your writing will look like them, and this is the importance of idiom. Okay? Why it is used? Why we should use in our writing? We should use because if you want to make standard writing, you have to use it. If you want to show that you know better English than the others, then you have to use this. Okay? How it is used? It can be used in two ways. Read between the lines. Read between the lines. But if you want to find its meaning, but you cannot find its actual meaning. What is meaning by read between the lines? There is two lines, and how do I read between the lines? Right? But it is independent idiom. That means you cannot use these idioms as a part of sentence. Read between the line means to comprehend, to understand the matter very carefully. It has a deep meaning. Okay? Suppose you are reading a poem, then someone can say that read between the lines of the poem. That means you will have to understand the poem by heart. Okay. So this is independent idiom. That means you can use by itself without a sentence. Okay. You don't have to use this idiom as a part of sentence, and these idioms you have to use as a part of sentence. If you tell something that cats and ducks, everybody will understand that you are telling about two animals. But if you use this as a part of sentence, then it will mean that rains heavily. Okay. Suppose yesterday it rained cats and dogs. Yesterday it rained cats and dogs. That means yesterday there was a heavy rain. Okay. So this is this idiom. This is a so thus we use idioms. Okay. And significance. If you want to make your writing standard, then you will have to use this. Okay. I already told you. So this is all about idioms. Okay, I am explaining again what I have said in brief. In a nutshell, you will have to remember that idiom is a group of words which we have to use in our writings to mean something than its actual word by word meaning. Okay, so example, there are two given example. Okay, it is one of my favorite idiom, that read between the lines. That means you will have to understand. You will have to comprehend the inner meaning of something. Okay, and this idiom you can use without as a part of sentence. This idiom you can use independently. Okay, that means you will not have to write any other sentences, okay, before it. And this idiom cats and dog, it is very common. I think most of you know this. Okay, cats and dogs, that means rain heavily. So these two ways are the usage of idioms, independently and dependently. Okay, that means you will have to use these idioms as the part of sentence, but if this idiom you can use as a whole. So that's all about my discussion. Okay, we must use actually to increase the value of our writing. Okay, and I have given a PDF file of most common idioms used in daily life. Please check the link in description. And if you have any confusion, please watch this video again. If you have got any information, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys.